So as I wrap up this video on some firmware changes to the Mini 4 Pro, something comes to mind. You see people online always complaining about this prop holder thing, you know, the one that comes from DJI, and not liking it because it's too difficult. I'm not sure why, because all you do is fold these legs down, bring these to the center, bring this leg down, bring that like that, bring this over here like that, bring it to the back, bring this one in, bring it to the back, flip it over, look for these two legs, little legs right here. Hope I'm keeping this in the screen. Anyway, this has the same two, right? So line those up, fits right in there. Props are loose and in between there, no problem. This one's a little bit trickier maybe to get the props where they're loose and not binding up in there, but you know, they have space in there. You can kind of wiggle them around, you know that. And then this goes right in there. You just push this in right here a little bit and then push, and it snaps right in there and it holds it fine. It's not hard. I would suggest for anybody having difficulty with this to just do it a few times, 5 times in a row, and you'll have it down pat. No need to spend money on different prop guard secure things, whatever this deal is called, when DJI did a good enough job for me.